This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2022 Thornton Chevrolet All GM Car Show, sponsored by the York County Corvette Club. We're checking out all the other GM cars. Of course, we got a little 68. This is gorgeous SS. Excuse me, 69. Oh my gosh. I'm too busy looking all around. I always get a kick out of the gauges all placed down, easy to read, but of course the clock is right dead center. Yeah, interesting, very interesting. I like the Z28, that's gorgeous. Get another 69. The orange was just such of a poppin' color. This of course is the 302. This was made for Trans Am racing, and it was such of a well-balanced car. It really did a lot for Chevy at the track. The Rally Sport SS, this was their luxury edition. Notice the hideaway headlights, that's the RS package. Little 350, there's your Rally Sport. Just dressed up a little bit extra. Again, you can see the gauges down below. We're going to jump into a cool little retro pickup over here. Rod was about 65. See how good I am. Jim 61. Boy, am I off. I'm not so great on trucks. Forgive me. I like the graphs of the new step side. That is really cool. Nicely done, Jim. Nicely done. 454 under the hood. Very nice. I like that. And of course, Chevy's entry into the personal luxury cars. This was an interesting segment which came and went. Really cool. What's neat with the Monte Carlos, of course, you could build them rod, you could build them as luxury mobiles. There's the 350. Now just to give you an idea, look how far back that engine sits. It is insane. This is a 70. Welcome to 1970 when gas was 21 to 25 cents a gallon. Who cared? Tight little cockpit. Pretty simply done. Really walking away from the chrome, something fierce. Little Tahoe. These things are as popular as can get. Nice Firebird. There's 69, the 350 convertible. The Enduro bumper was optional. Isn't that pretty? I like them. I like them. How you doing? Nice and blue. Usually these things are black. Work. Have fun, stay cool.
Yep, you too.
Neat, definitely neat. And of course, the one that started the modern, or that era of personal luxury car, the Grand Prix. This is a 73 Model J with 61 on the clock. This is a barn find. That's nice. The HPOF. I like that new, whatchamacallit, the new classification. I noticed the wraparound dashboard. That really started so much. Even the bias of the console. The doors were huge. The trunk, the hood was one of the longest hoods in the industry, which graduated into the longest hood. These are just remarkable cars. Came in the J, the SSJ. This is pretty cool. Barn finds are always fascinating. Absolutely fascinating. If they're original, they're really pretty cool. But just because you find it in the barn doesn't mean it's original. Another one-year wonder, the 74 GTO, based off of the Ventura Nova. Interesting, very interesting. Personal taste, personal opinion. Check it out. You can see pure Nova in here, but I like the white. I actually wonder how many of these were built. And of course the original GTO, actually second generation. This is just gorgeous. Look at the way how they handle the taillights. Is that nice? I love that. I mean, so many little details. The red lines and such. Another HP OF. The trips. I'm taking just a mild-managed Le Mans and making it into an icon. Pure genius. Pure genius. Another Monte Carlo. This one's the SS454. This is 71. Nice. Looks original. I'm not going to tear apart the body or have some fun. And of course the new Camaro. Why they discontinued, I know the sales were lacking, but they should have put some effort into the car. This is nicely done. I like the way how he put this together. Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2022 Thornton Chevrolet All GM Car Show. That's the Monte Carlo. So I mean, with being black, and this was typical of the era. It's like really pretty dark in there. This show is hosted by the York County Corvette Club. For more cool events like this, make sure you check your car show calendars. NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and while you're there, make sure you post and promote your shows directly on the calendars. I'll see you at the shows.